Merchandise, Dito Vicky Construction, and Pipito Gregorio. And to our punong barangay, Engineer Sanyal L. Maipon. Our game for tonight, Civic Division, Batch 97 versus Demon White.
Pilitas. General. Pass to Judags. Pinitake. Paano si Rosales? Rosales taga Cebu. Paso Maginay. Oh, Arabang. Dexter Maginay. Oliveira. Juntax 3. No good. Balye. Still. 26, Espinosa. Oops, out rep. Foul number 25. Imperio. Time ready, 6 minutes and 9 seconds. Imperio, first personal foul, first team foul. First two. Dodo. Second two. Dodo again. Mr. Imperio. Aston Rosales, taga Cebu. Rosales. Aston Maginay. Whoa! Connect. 2 points. Eliedra. Aston Nunez. Nunez, balik utak. Oh. Partinan, oh. Foul. Foul, number 17. Akusa, first personal foul. Second team foul. Connect. First two. Still partigan. Time ready. 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Second two, connect. Stepping on the line. Ball position, batch 97. Tagaraga, 3. Dugod, ang sabon, yes. Dugod yan, partigan. Ay kasamang foul. Oy, score 4 pa na. Score 4 pa. Ito to, Paul. First personal foul, third team foul. Rosales, dribbling the ball. Pass to Valye. Valye to Jundags. Oliveira Jundags again. Connect. 2 points. Valye. Reserve timeout. Rosales. Rosales jump. No good. Imperio, connect. Imperio. Nagaraga. Dribbling the ball. Olivera. Olivera ke Martingan. Martingan kembali ke Olivera. Still. Eight seconds violation. Time out. Dimulwa. Time remaining 5 minutes and 17 seconds. Nami, Berdana. Olivera. Untuk Garaga. Garaga itu Martingan. Martingan kita bangun. Olivera again. Foul rep. Foul. Jersey number 21, Rosales. First personal foul, 14th foul. Warning for penalty. Akosar. Jangan tayo Libera. Akosar. Lugod. Rebound Rosales. Rosales jump. Look again. Rebound Martingan. Olivera. What an easy layup. Olivera, 2 points. Reception. Imperio. Tumaghinay. Imperio again. Maghinay kay Imperio. Who's power? Number 3, Nunez. First. Sabre. Nunez out. Ilibera out. Sanguero in. Time remaining 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Maghina in the first 2. No go. Second through. No go again. Rebound sa Alberio. Alberio Martingan. Jundax. Martingan. Easy layup. 3 points. Martingan. Ayito. Akosar. Akosar for 3. No. Wow. Foul, number 21, Rosales Tagasibu. Second personal foul, penalty. Penalty rep. No good on first two. Second through. Udah. Abrek, sab. Gawas ang gawas, sulod ang sulod. Rosales. Ayito. Akusan. Paso Ayito. Ayito penetrating. Wow! Ayito, 2 points. Nagaraga pass to Martingan. Foul. Correct. Rosales, number 21. Tuwa ka Rosales, 21, no? Second two. Bago si Rosales. Rosales Toyento. Pasto Rosales. Takasibu. Connect. Takasibu ka Rosales. Dagaraga. Time out. Box 97. Time remaining. 3 minutes and 32 seconds. Time in or time out. Sabuelo. Lebih ke bawah. Asko Dagaraga. Dagaraga to Espinosa. Lungkot. Espinosa game. Akosar rebound. Still by Dagaraga. Dagaraga. Correct. 2 points untuk Dagaraga. Rosales. Rosales Yayo still. Espinosa. Gilahos. Wow. Number 21, blue shorts. Rosales. First to Mr. Espinosa. Connect. 1 point. Second through. Espinosa, Alderio, Lugod. Ball position, Demula. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Samret. Espinosa out, Comandante. Rosales. Ayundo. Usar, 15 to shoot. Rosales, 10 to shoot. Good. Comandante. Ito Dagaraga. Dagaraga, skill for Usar. Ayundo. Umira ng team. Mr. Comandante. Push ball. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 3 seconds. In the first quarter. Still by Rosales. Rosales penetrating. Foul. Number 17, Martingan. First personal foul, second team foul. Rosales first two. No good. Second two. Correct. 1 point. Dagaraga. Dagaraga. Kita kepesan. Dagaraga. Alberio connect 2 points. Alberio. Rosales. Rosales. Oyendo. 1, 2, 3 points for Mr. Ariento. Partingan. Still Rosales. Rosales. Penetrating. Lugod. Ariento. 3 points again. Mr. Ariento. Dagaraga. Connect 2 points. Remaining time. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. 20 to shoot. Rosales. 3. Good. Out of bounds. Rosales. Sablon. Ilyadara. 15 to shoot. Silva yan. Aginto. Agusang. Foul. Number 17. Atin yan. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Second. Second through. Ang lower man. Mabakami sa Albero. Albero Sabuero. Sabuero still may ayunto. Ay, aliyong today. Pasas, 2 points. Time remaining. Last 3 seconds. Albero. Dito po, Albero rebound foul. Foul with 1. Rosales, Yayo. Last 43 seconds. Rosales, third personal foul. Second team foul. At penalty. Correct, 1 point. Twenty-three ba na? 23. Kipeng. 23 against 17. Match 27. Rosales. Last to Rosales. Rosales! Back kasakang foul. First foul rep. Number 91, Comandante. Comandante, first personal foul. 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Time remaining, 37 seconds. Last, 37 seconds. No good on first throw. Second through. No good again. Last through. Last throw, Mr. Rosales. Wala yun. Legal entry ito, kanina. One point. Last, 37 seconds. Ilyadara. 30 seconds. 15 to shoot. Alberio. Alberio. No good. Last 50 seconds. Arnaldo Rosales. No good. Revival Rosales again. Alberio. 15 seconds. Yes. 10 seconds. Ulit. 2 points. Still by Samuel.